Good morning, children. I hope you are fresh and ready to learn. I think you have completed last week's assignment that I gave you. Very good, children. Job well done. Today it's our English class. Come, let's see what are we gonna learn today. Today we will be seeing a story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Also, I will teach you how to write cursive from A to I. Here is a fun fact for you, children. The dot above I is known as tittle. What is it, children? Tittle. We are going to see the story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Goldilocks. One day, she decided to go for a walk in the forest. While out walking, she lost her way and found herself at the house of the Three Bears. Inside the house, she came across a kitchen table with 3 bowls of porridge laid out. She tasted the porridge in the first bowl and found it was too hot. So she tried the porridge from the second bowl, which was too cold. Finally, she tried the third bowl and found that it was just right. So she ate it all up. When she had finished the porridge, Goldilocks felt tired and went to find somewhere to sit down. The first chair she found was too big. The second chair was still too big, but the third chair felt just right. As she sat down, the chair broke into many pieces. By now, Goldilocks was very tired, so she looked for somewhere to sleep. The first bed she found was too hard. The second was too soft. But the third bed was perfect, and she fell into a deep sleep. Just then, the bears came back to their house from walking in the forest. When they came into the kitchen, they saw that someone has been eating their porridge. "Who's been eating my porridge?" growled Daddy Bear. "Who's been eating my porridge?" asked Mummy Bear. Finally, Baby Bear cried, "Who's been eating my porridge and eaten it all up?" Then the 3 bears spotted that someone had been sitting in their chairs. "Who's been sitting in my chair?" howled Daddy Bear. "Who's been sitting in my chair?" wondered Mummy Bear. Baby Bear cried, "Who's been sitting in my chair and broken it all into pieces?" The 3 bears ran up the stairs to check their bedrooms and saw that someone had been sleeping in their beds. "Who's been sleeping in my bed?" roared Daddy Bear. "Who's been sleeping in my bed?" growled Mummy Bear. Finally, Baby Bear cried, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed and they are still in it." Goldilocks was woken up by their shouting and was so scared she jumped out of the bed and ran out of the open window back into the forest. She ran home to her mother and vowed she would never again go for a walk into the forest alone. Children, the moral of the story is that we should always listen to our parents. Before we enter into our written session, we'll do some warm up for our fingers. Come, children, fold your hands, open your hands. Fold your hands, open your hands. Okay. Okay. Now, grab your pencil and we'll do a small recap of what we learned last week. Last week we saw capital letter from A to E and small letter from A to E. So, we'll do a small recap. Just look how I am writing, okay? Now we'll go move to the small letters. A, B, C, D and E. Children, your assignment today will also include completing the remaining lines. Okay, now turn your page. We will learn how to write capital F now. Now make a small curve here. Come down, touch the red line, slanting line, touch the blue line and make a small curve. And in the middle of the first blue line, you make a curve like this. Okay, shall we write once more? Okay, now make a small curve touching the red line, come down, make a curve, go up, touch the red line, slanting line till the second blue line and a curve. Now make a curve like this. Okay, now we learn how to write G. Now touch the first blue line, make a slanting line, touch the red line, make a loop and come down, touch the second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, come down and make a curve, and this is your G. We'll write once more, children. See carefully. Come down, touch the second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, come down, touch the red line, make a curve and stop here. Now we'll see how to write H. Start from the first blue line, slanting line till the red line, come down, touch the second blue line, make a curve. Now the slanting line here, and from there go up, touch the first blue line, make a loop and stop here. Shall we write once more? Touch the red line, come down, make a curve. Now make a slanting line, go up, make a loop. Here is your H. Now make a curve, go up, touch the red line, make a slanting line and make a curve here. This is your I. Touch the red line, come down, I. Okay, now we'll see how to write our small letter. Now we'll see F. From the second blue line, make slanting line till the red line. Come down, touch the red line, make a loop and go up and touch the first blue line and make a loop. We'll write once more. From the second blue line, make a slanting line, go to the red line, make a loop, touch the red line again, form a loop here. Now we'll see how to write G. Make a slanting line, touch the first blue line, come down, go up, touch the first blue line, come down, touch the red line, make a loop, stop here. This is your G. We'll write once more. Touch the blue line, come down, touch the first blue line, come down, touch the red line, go up, stop. This is your G. We'll see how to write H. From the second blue line, make a slanting line and touch till the red line, make a loop, come down, touch the second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, come down and make a curve here. This is your H. Slanting line, touch the red line, make a loop, come down, touch the second blue line, come up, make a curve here, touch the blue line and a small curve. Now slanting line, touch the first blue line, come down and make a curve and put a small dot over it. What did I teach you? Yes, a small dot. And what is its name? It is known as tittle. We'll write once more, children. Make a curve, touch the first blue line, come down, make a curve over here and make a dot here. This is known as tittle. Children, complete the remaining lines, okay? So, what is your assignment today? You will be completing from capital A till capital I and then from small a till small I. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll meet in our next session.